ako'y lumaban, mga sugat ko'y naging dahilan. Bawat suntok may bigat ng buhay, pero di ako basta mamamatay. Kahit madilim ang daan, puso ko'y di susuko kailanman. Ito ang kamaw ng buhay, di ururong kahit nasasaktan. Para sa pangarap at bayan, tatayo hanggang sa huli. Kahit mundo'y galit sa'kin, lalaban pa rin. Laban pa rin. Mga pangarap na halos mawala, pag-asa ko'y hawak pa nila. Pamilya ang lakas ng dibdib, sa bawat laban ako'y pipili. At kung ako'y bumagsak man, babawi pa rin sa laban. Ito ang kamaw ng buhay, dugo't pawis ang puhunan. Sa gitna ng unos at laban, ako'y di matitinag. Hanggang huling tibok, kamao ko'y sasabay sa buhay.
This is OST Obsession, your daily dose of music. Today you heard an original track inspired by the Filipino sports drama series Kamao. The track is called Kamao NG Buhay. Premiering on May 25, 2026, Kamao follows Macmac Batambakal, a young amateur boxer fighting battles far beyond the ring. Haunted by the controversial legacy of his former champion father and trapped between poverty, family pressure, and personal ambition, Macmac learns that true victory isn't about titles or fame, it's about surviving life without losing yourself. Gritty, emotional, and deeply human, the series blends intense boxing action with themes of sacrifice, resilience, family, redemption, and hope. Starring Anton Vinzon in his first major lead role, Kamao airs Mondays to Fridays on GMA Network and is also available through Kapuso Stream and GMA Pinoy TV worldwide. Because every scar tells